Green beans are a pantry staple. Here's a fresh way to mix it up and keep it light. We're making green bean cranberry nut salad. Let's go. I have heated the oil, and now I'm going to add the cranberries and the almonds and stir those often until they soften. The almonds and the cranberries are ready, and now I'm going to add my green beans. Make sure to turn your heat down. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper, and I'm not measuring, I'm just adding a little bit. And then remember to stir. The green beans have cooked, and now I've added them to a bowl to get ready to serve. And you want to drizzle with a little bit of honey and enjoy.